5th standard. Now your revision is going on. So this is in revision. This is the addition second part. Add the following. This is the addition. You know already the addition, so I am not explaining this here addition. Now this is the also part from the addition. Question number 11 is fill in the blanks. So you have to add this. Here one is given but another is not given, so we have to write down that. Whenever we add 0 in any digit, the sum is digit itself. Whenever we subtract 0 from the any digit, then difference is digit itself. Whenever we minus 1 or cut 1 from the any digit, we get the before number. So here 77, so you get the 76. Now this is the property of the multiplications. Whenever we multiply with 0 any digit, we get the product of the digit always 0. This is separate properties of the multiplications. And here not cut 0, this is already given. You have a given 20 and 360. Just you have to find out what come here. So just divide 360 by 20. So we get the 18 answer. Same thing you have to do here in I. This is the 150. Then here you have given blank and 60,000. So divide 150 with the 60,000. So we get the 400. This is the properties of the division. Whenever here 2 digits, so count 1 and 2 digits, then put down the point. Count 1 digit, put down the point. Same thing you have to do here. This is the BODMAS properties. 12 divide 4 equal to 3. 4 3s are 12. This is the subtraction. You know how to do subtraction. Now you are in 5th standard, so you have already know. You should know the how to do subtractions. Now this thing we have already learned in the 4th standard. Now find the product. 1062 by 15. First of all, you multiply 5 once digit. You have to take once digit, multiply with 2. So 5 2s are 10, carry forward 1. 6 5s are 30 plus 1 31. Here 0 is given, so we directly write the 6 5s are 30 plus 1 31. 5 1s are 5. Then you have to take 10 digits. Whenever we take the 10 digits or the 100 digits, so write down the place value first of all 0. Here 1 in the 10 place, so write down 1 0. Now multiply with the from starting with this side, one side. So 1 2 3 and the 4. So 2 1s are 2, 6 1s are 6, 0 1s are 0 and 1 1s are 1. Sorry, here I have done mistake. 5 and the 1. Same thing, this is we have to do multiplication to 28,180 by 30 and the 7,228 by the 30. Now see, this is the lattice multiplication, very interesting method and very easy method for the multiplication. First of all, what will you do? You have to find out here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Number of digit is 6, but here 3 and 3, so 3 3s are 9. So you have to make 9 box. Here number of digit is given 3, again here given is 3. So 3 3s are 9, so you have to make number of boxes are 9. So you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Take a proper marking so you can make easily. Now join all the points of the boxes. First of all, this is the one line, second line, third line, fourth and fifth and sixth. Starting from marking from this side, this is the 1 2 3 4 5 and the 6. Now I am taking here, this is the 1 equal to 0. Okay, 1 equal to 0. So here 1 equal to 0. 1 equal to 0. Now taking this side, 5 equal to also 0, or you don't write it. Then 5 equal to also 0. So write down 5 equal to 0. Now take the B. So here 5 plus 3 plus 2. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. Now write down 0 and carry forward 1 at the number of 3 lines. So 1 plus 6, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 6, 15. Carry forward 1 here. You have to add this line, then carry forward. If you get the carry, then forward it. Now writing from this side. So in this line I get the 4 plus 1 because here carry forward 1. You can see here 4 plus 1 5. So 5 4. Write down this one first starting from this side. So here I get 5. So 5. Then here I get 4. So 5 4 5 0 0. Okay. Same thing here you can see. 5 7 3 1 7 5. 3 1 ja 3. 3 7 ja 21. 3 5 ja 15. 7 1 ja 7. 7 7 ja 49. 7 5 ja 35. 5 1 ja 5. 5 7 ja 35. 5 5 ja 25. Now starting from this side 1 2 3 4 5 and the 6. For the one line this is the here 5 equal to 5. Then take fourth number of line. So 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. Number 3 line. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 9 70. 70 plus 3 20 plus 2 22. Carry forward 2 at this place. 2 plus 5 10 plus 4 14. 14 plus 7 2 plus 5 10. 10 plus 4 14. 14 plus 7 21. 21 plus 2 23. Sorry, it's a 20. I done again here mistake. 2 7 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2. So 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 4 11. 11 plus 2 19. 19 plus 7. 2 carry forward. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 4 30. 30 plus 5 80. Okay, 7 plus 2 9 4. 30 plus 5 80. 80 plus 2. Okay, 20. So write down, carry forward to here. Then it's a 10. So carry forward 1 and here 1. So starting from this side, here I get 1. Then here I get 0. Here I get what? Get 0. At the number 4 I get the 2. Here 2. Here 7. Then here 5. Starting from this side 1 0 0 2 7 5. Then you have to do up to this.